Hey, it's Danielle, and today I'm going to show you my quick and easy hack for post lighting on for your horse fields or any sort of post you have. So I have round posts, and a company sent me a set of these to review, and they worked. So I bought 2 more sets. So that puts me up to 60 total of these. These are deck lights, and they are not meant for a round post. However, I made them work. And these actually work pretty well for lighting up my field fencing without me needing to run electric, which was huge. So they have the solar panel on the top. They have this piece here. You have to pull the bracket off. It does have a battery in it. You pull the bracket off and you have to flip the light. That's kind of a pain. When you do it, try to just pull it off just enough, because you can you kind of push in and pull up a little. If you don't pull it off all the way, you don't have to fit it back in the slots a little faster. So you just push it to the right, I think. And make sure you test them all. They won't turn on unless the solar panel is covered or it's dark out, one of those things. So they are, oh goodness. So you can see with these ones, they're on and then they turn off once they're exposed to light. And that's just because they come on only at nighttime. So it sets it up for you so you don't have to be turning them on or off. Of course, if you want to turn them on and off, you're kind of screwed, but in this, you're fine. It comes with some screws. It comes with some drywall anchors. I don't know where you'd need that, but and then it also comes with stickers. The stickers don't work for this. They're not going to stick to a fence post, but I would save those for other projects because they're 3M strips, and I like some. I like those for lightweight items to hang up on the wall. Anyways, so here they are. So I've got my round post here, and you see they don't fit quite perfectly because it's a round post, not a square post, and these are really made for steps on a deck. However, if I get it just right on the round post, I can get both screws in, and it sits right here. And it actually works really, really well. I've been really pleased with these. That's the only reason I bought the other 2 sets. I wanted to try them first when I got the set for free, but these work. Yeah, overall, it looks really nice at night. You can see it shining all the way down the road, so it's really awesome. I will show you what it looks like after dark. So they're a little bit of work to install because, of course, you have to install them on every single post and you have to screw them all in, but it's really just an hour work or something if you have a lot of posts. So I've done the beginning part of my field and I'm just finishing up this back part. These fence posts just went in, so my husband needs to come out with a chainsaw and just lop off the tops, but I'll do those after that's done. Hi friends, are you so cute? I know, good morning. So yeah, I've been going along just installing these. Make sure they work before you put them on, because it's kind of a pain. My one complaint with these is that if you ever want to turn them off, you have to unscrew them, take them off, and then pull this out. I don't think that's going to be an issue because they are, like, if you cover it, it works. If it's light out, it's not going to work. So I don't think you need to have access to the on and off switch frequently. But yeah, it's just a thought. Okay, so it doesn't really do justice. It's really pretty in real life, but this is what it looks like with all the lights on. You can see there's one here that's a little less bright, but you see it going all the way down. I can't wait to get the other side up.